So we are live on the Power Team. Hello, Power Team. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you are, wherever you are tuning into. Please, if you're watching us on your phone on the group, please drop a little post and tell us where you're tuning in from so we can know who's there. Guess who we have online? Mr. Justin himself.
Power Team. I
Yes.
gotta check, Luigi. I'm pretty sure by the end of business today, we should be at 22,000 members globally.
Oh wow, that's, man, listen. Just to think that how many months ago was Panama exactly? I don't want to make a mistake.
We had about 6,200 in Panama about 4.5 months ago.
5 months ago, we had 6,000 members, and fast forward 6 months after, we're almost at 22,000. So that's like almost 4 times more, like 3 times more. So, I mean, that's crazy, man. That's just simply crazy. So let me just go to our group here.
Kudos to the Power Team. Kudos to Shane D in South Africa. We just congrats him this morning. His team just broke 1,000 members. So they're starting to move pretty quick.
So we have people that are starting to tune in. Justin, hi Gail, how are you? Hi Maxine from Quebec, how are you? Please let us know where you're tuning in from, so we can please just identify you and say hi to you and welcome you.
You're popping on here, just guys. So while you're popping on and saying hello and all that good stuff, we're going to cover 3 topics. So stick around to the end. The first one we're going to talk about, Luigi, is
claim your prize.
Okay. Second one we're going to talk about is real-time commissions.
Yes, real-time commissions, and why it's important to follow it regularly. Yes.
And the third one I think we're going to talk about is the calls.
Is the calls that we're doing every day?
Yeah.
Yes.
So stick around till the end, guys. Let us know where you're tuning in from. Tag your teams. Make sure you tag all of your players here, so they get the notification. And we'll try and keep this in about 5 minutes so you guys can get back to enjoying your beautiful Saturday. I don't know, Luigi, you said it's nice there. You're going to take the Harley out?
I'm taking my Harley out today. Like, I've been driving the Porsche for the last couple of weeks, but now that we finally have some nice weather in Quebec, Canada, summer is finally hitting at our door. Yes, I'm going to be driving the Harley. So
look at the sky, dude. There's not a single cloud, not one single cloud. I'm telling you.
You have a gorgeous backyard is beautiful, buddy. It's just simply beautiful.
Like a sanctuary.
And hey, you deserve it. You've worked hard and you're still working very hard. And you know what? It's beautiful because people, when they see your sanctuary or they see me driving the Porsche, I mean, I'm sorry, man. We're not better than anybody. The only thing is that when we believe in something, we go all in. Like, we don't go halfway.
About showing people what's possible. I don't look at Grant Cardone, who's flying around in billion-dollar jets, and say, why is he even trying to do that? It motivates me. So I'm going to tell you something, guys. I'm going to give you a little bonus. When you make it, when you finally start enjoying a life of freedom and you start to share that life, there are going to be 2 types of people that come out of the woodwork. There are going to be the people that support you and that share in your victory. And then there are going to be people that hate on you. It's guaranteed. When you get to a certain level in life, there's going to be 2 types of people. Don't pay attention to the ass clowns. Focus on the ones who support you and are in your corner, guys.
So hi Gustavo. Hi Carl from Canada. Mr. DJ is in the house also. Hello, buddy. Listen, if you're tuning in right now, like others are coming in, or if you're watching the replay, please tag your teams to this call because I think it's some very important updates for the team in general. So tag your teams so everybody can watch this recording or live, whichever one. So the first topic that we're going to cover here is claim your prize. So many of you have ranked up last month. Congratulations. Hey, Justin, it's amazing, eh? So many new executives, so many new managers.
A couple of new directors.
I mean, soon we're going to be seeing some new presidents. I mean, very soon, okay? So congratulations to everybody who ranked up. Please, in case, I know that most of you already know how it works, but you all have, when you rank up like last month, this month, from the beginning of the month, the 1st, all the way to the 5th, right, Justin?
Yep.
You have from May 1 all the way to May 5. to go in your back office and claim your prize. So you go where you see prizes and
you go to finance,
leadership.
you go to claim your prize, but even more so on the training site on the website, there is a claim your prize training video. Okay, so you go to finance, you go down, you click claim your prize, and then you decide if you want to take the physical prize or you want to do the BTC payout. The BTC payout is paid out on the 6th, and there's no 20% withdrawal fee. It goes straight to your wallet.
And I love it because Justin has been putting all these videos, all of them, in the back office. So all these subjects that we keep talking about, they're all laid out in the back office. I'm just going to share the back office so everybody can see exactly where.
Not the back office. They're on the website, buddy. They're not in the back office.
Website. Sorry.
Yeah, you're gonna get people logging in their back office now, looking for your videos
on the website. So here it is. Let me share my screen with you guys, and you'll see where it is. Share screen. So I'm logging into the Power Team website right now with you guys, so you can see where it is exactly.
CFXPowerTeamSite.com for those of you that are looking for it. CFXPowerTeamSite.com. In fact, if some of you guys can just go ahead and put the website in the comments of this video, and you see right on the main page, there's a button, Luigi, says training resources. You can't miss it.
Let me take that down here.
Nope, it's right on the button, buddy. The yellow button.
Nope. So right here at the very top, training resource, Justin.
Yep, there's also another big button right there next to your white smile.
So right here, training.
Here's
okay.
all your videos.
So buy your first contract, how to set up two-way browser, how to set up two-way multiple devices, how to withdraw WTC, how to upgrade your package, how to bull versus duplication training. So rank of
season. There it is right there, leadership
program. Right?
Your mic is cutting in and out on that laptop. I didn't hear you.
Okay, so the last video where it says Cash FX Leadership Program, rank up season.
Yep, that's going to go through the whole leadership program.
Okay, so very important.
The prizes in there.
So very important, everybody who ranked up, please watch that video and go claim your prize. Remember that you can either take your prize or you can take the cash money. Now, if you take the cash money, it's paid to the same wallet that you have in your back office, because I did it once, and it's paid like immediately. So when you decide to take the cash, you don't have to put in your wallet automatically. Cash FX is going to know that they're sending it to the same wallet that you have saved. So you receive the money within a week, okay?
No. You receive the money on the 6th, not within a week. So if you claim it today on the 3rd, on the 6th, you will get your Bitcoin paid with no fee.
Awesome, okay.
Just be clear.
And if you take the prize, well, you have to wait till the next.
Whenever that next event is. So if you really want the Rolex, you really want it, you just have to be patient.
Okay. Now, the other thing that we wanted to touch on was also the real-time commissions, okay?
Scroll up, there's a video there. Make sure they see the video. It says real-time.
Buy your first trade contract to set up, how to withdraw BTC, how to upgrade Trade Academy, Burroughs duplication, real-time commissions right here, right next to it. So real-time commissions video, please watch that. And it's going to explain something that's very important. Listen, Justin, I'm going to let you explain that just quickly because you wanted to make it short. You want to go ahead?
Yeah, it takes 30 seconds, guys. So you have to understand that our back office commissions is real time. And so we're talking about the matrix and we're talking about the unilevel. Those are real time. So even though the matrix doesn't pay out until the 1st and the 16th, or the unilevel doesn't pay out until the Saturday, those commissions are calculated in your bull bear cap. That's it. So when you log in and you see your bear is at 190% and you're expecting your matrix to grow, even though it's not the 16th, that bear cap is growing. So your commissions are real time in the back office, which means you could get caught off guard now that the matrix is unlocked for 10 levels. So don't get caught off guard and think you have until the 16th of May for your matrix to affect your bear 200%. It is real time hitting that percentage going up. Now, Luigi, you tell them why they want to be aware
Yes.
of that with the
I'll,
upgrade.
I'll, I'll tell you right away. I'll give you an example. Okay, listen carefully, everybody. Just want to close my door here. I'm helping my brother with his account. Now, my brother was at $7,000 contract. Okay, just follow me, everybody. He's at a $7,000 contract. I know that to go from 7,000 to 10,000, all I need to do is put in a $3,000, right? Now, guess what happened is I was looking at the back office for my brother just to follow, like Justin said, the real time. So I knew that the next matrix would be paid out like this week, Saturday. But that was during the week. I looked at it, I think like on Wednesday or on Tuesday. I knew that the matrix would pay out on Saturday. So I said to myself, he's at 190%, like Justin said. I said, okay, well, look, I can wait till Saturday. I have time to do it, let's say on Friday, the day before. But what I did not realize, which I should have, and I'm sorry, but at the end of the day, that's why we wanted to share it with everybody, is that the real-time matrix is actually accumulating every day. So when I looked at it on Tuesday at 190% with the matrix in real time, by the time it reached Thursday, it had maxed out to 200%. Now, what happens then? Well, I hope you know what happens. What I needed to do is I had to repurchase the $7,000 package or repurchase the $10,000 package.
Full price.
Instead of just putting $3,000, which I had in my head, I was going to put $3,000. Unfortunately, now I had to either repurchase the same package at 7,000, or if I wanted to go to 10,000, put the whole 10,000. Now, why is it important? Because okay, I had some extra money. It's not that bad of an issue. But for some people that are actually living off their money a little bit because they need that money every day, okay, follow me. Some people need money a little bit every day. Remember that you have to kind of think about those things, because if you get to the end of your cycle, an example, you're at 7,000, you know that you're going to 10,000, you need 3,000, and all of a sudden you max out. Now you have to put 7,000. What happens if you only put $3,000 aside? Yes, you're a little bit stuck, okay? I really want you to understand that, please, everybody. It's so important. So Justin made a beautiful video here, real-time commissions. Please go through that video. And also, what I would suggest is log in regularly to your back office, because you can tell, you can make 2 times your package on your trading, and you can make 2 times your package on the sharing aspect of it. As you can see, there's 2 numbers there. Well, always look at those 2 numbers, because when you start getting close, you got to get ready for the next time. Now, this is for people that want to rank, people that want to go to the next package, like Justin mentioned to me. That's very important. If you don't want to go to the next package, that you're happy staying at the same package, you don't have to worry about what we're saying. Okay? One more time. This is only for the people that, let's say you're at 7,000, you want to go to 10,000, you want to go to 15,000, you want to go to 20,000. Well, for those people, this message is very important. For the person who is happy at $7,000 or $10,000, and he says, you know what, guys, I'm staying at 10,000. Hey, don't even listen to this message, because at the end of the day, you can wait to max out at 200. Actually, that's what you should do. If you don't want to upgrade your package, you should almost wait till you get to the 200% before repurchasing another $10,000 package. Okay, but for the person who wants to go to the next package, I hope you understand where the money is. Just follow me. You're at $7,000. All of a sudden, you're making your 1% or 1 point something percent, whatever the trading amount that you're making every day, you're getting that every day on $7,000. What happens if you upgrade from 7,000 to 10,000? Now you're going to be paid on $10,000. What happens if you're paid from 10 to 15? You're paid on 15. So what's the end game, Justin? The end game should be for the person who wants to rank up, who actually wants to go up in the packages. They should just rank up as soon as they have that money to go to the next one, right, Joe?
Yeah. And let me make one small correction, because we're going to have new people watching this video. And so you don't get paid on the 7,000, you get paid on 70% of the 7,000. So Let's just make sure we're not contradicting, because there's going to be some new people watching this video. Whatever the 70% of the size of the contract. So it doesn't matter. We don't care what contract you're on. Whatever contract you're on, if you plan on staying on that contract, then you let it cap out at 200%, and then you can renew that contract. If you plan on upgrading to the contract above that, yes, you will make more in your daily trade payouts. If you do that before you hit the 200%, then you only have to pay the discounted price. And I'm going to tell you, if you plan on upgrading, the sooner the better. Like, there's no sense in waiting. You don't gain anything or lose anything by going to 190%. If you're at 120% and you have the difference to get to the next level, get to the next level, because you've just doubled what you're making off of the trade pool payouts. Don't wait until the last minute and get caught with your pants down like Luigi did.
And trust me, it's not just me, guys. I mean, I've seen
It
other
happens to people, yeah.
Yeah, it's happening to people in the organization. So it's kind of sad when it happens to somebody who, you know what, all of a sudden he spent all his money and he thought that he just needed 3,000, example, and all of a sudden when he gets to Saturday or on Friday when he wants to upgrade it, he realizes that it's too late. Now he has to come in with 7,000, but he doesn't have 7,000 anymore. So that's why we wanted to clarify this message, guys. I mean,
and the real takeaway, Luigi, not to cut you off, but the real takeaway is this: own your business, log into your back office, understand where your caps are, and own your business. Don't get caught sleeping.
Yeah, I think that's the most beautiful, the most powerful thing that we can say here today.
Listen, yes, if you got a bicycle shop business, you wouldn't just show up there every other week and then realize, man, all the bikes are gone. No, you would go to the shop every single day. You know, whatever that business is, treat this like a business and it will pay you like a business. Treat this like a hobby and it will pay you like a hobby. That's real simple. That's the math.
I love it. I love it. All right. So those are two of the most important things that we wanted to share. And the last one, which I'll get into right away. So repeat one more time. Those who ranked up, go claim your prize. You have till the 5th of the month. So from the 1st to the 5th, every month, you can go claim your prize, whether it's the prize or whether it's the cash. The video is there right on the right side, rank up season video. Please watch it. The other video, the other subject was real-time commissions, to understand how it works. You know, when you cap out your 200%, remember that when another thing that's important is for people that have been there for a while, you all know that Housecar has opened up all the levels, right? You know the levels of commissions, because usually to get paid in your matrix, when you're on the $300 package or the $500 package, you're paid on level 1, 2, and 3 of the matrix. But now you're paid on all 10 levels of the matrix. So that's where some people are seeing that all of a sudden their matrix has blown out, because right now it's opened up. Because to actually get paid on your 10 levels of commissions, I think, if I'm not wrong, Justin, you need to be at the $30,000 package.
Correct. So like you said, it's all opened up. So just, guys, keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on it.
Okay?
That's the best advice we can give you, is log in and check your business every single day.
I love it. So last thing is we want to share is
get on the calls.
Leadership.
Bring your guests.
We have a call today. Everybody.
We have a call today
at 3 o'clock, if I'm not wrong. Let me just go see here. Look at here.
And we have a room that holds 300 people. We want to max it out. We want your guests to be on these calls. This is the #1 tool that we can offer you right now for your guests to see the transparency, the community, the integrity, and really walk away with a very clear understanding that they can't say no to this business.
Look at here. It's in your back office of the team website. Isn't that beautiful? Saturday, there's a call this morning in Chinese. There's a call at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, New York time, right here. That's what, by the way, so what time is it now? It's 1 o'clock. In 2 hours from now, everybody, in 2 hours from now, there's a call. And there's also one at 1:30 this afternoon, but in French. See, presentation in French.
There you go. Everything you need, the banners.
It's all there on the team website. So the calls are the #1 tool, okay? With all honesty, I'm going to stop sharing here and end it with this. The calls, I'd say, are easily the #1 tool. And ever since we've been in lockdown, we decided to lock arms with a lot of beautiful people that wanted to do the same thing. And the presenters are just awesome. The testimonials are awesome. And listen, the whole concept about these calls are getting a lot of traction, a lot of feedback, and there's a lot of new people coming to the calls. They're signing up. They are signing up. So whatever you do, what you need to do is just find a way to get people to a call. If you're talking to somebody who says to you and you start sharing a little bit about cash effects, you don't have to spill it all out. You know, like unfortunately, that's what happens, especially for the new people, Justin. Sometimes when they start, they want to over-explain it, and it's okay. It's just natural. Everybody wants to do that. But you don't have to over-explain it. You just give a couple of little, just a small description, and you ask them, "Can I please invite you to the webinar today?" Get them today's webinar. And by the way, Justin did a super training on that too. Yeah, on the team.
Listen, we just went over it the other day, you guys. Let's even drill it down and make it even simpler for you. The number one question you should be asking your prospects is, have you ever made money in the global Forex market before? That's as simple as we can keep it for you. Have you ever made money in the global Forex market before? Now, you're going to get a couple of different answers. They may say yes. They may say, what is that? Is it real? I don't know anything about that. It doesn't matter what their response is. Your follow-up question is, can I invite you to a live stream so you can get educated and I can share my results? That's it, guys. That's what you should be teaching your team. Question number one, have you ever made money in the global Forex market before? Question number two, can I invite you to our live stream today so that you can see how it works? And I'd also like to share some of my results. If you follow those two steps and you reach out to 10, 15, 20 people a day, I'm telling you right now, this will be a six-figure income for you. Simple.
Well, yeah, because it's always when you're planting seeds, Justin, like a farmer, he plants seeds. Not all the seeds are going to harvest, eh? So he plants a lot of seeds, hoping that a few of them are going to actually catch on. Well, it's the same thing when you're networking and you're inviting people to calls. You might invite 10 people. There might only be 1, 2, 3 who'll show up. But it doesn't matter. If you're doing it every day, those 1, 2, 3 people that come every day, you're going to see some massive results, Joe. Massive. So thanks everybody for the awesome comments. And yes, what a team, what a community, and just
hard to be. When we hit 22,000, guys, we'll let you know when we get there. I got a really nice post we're going to share with the community. So let's have an amazing day. Let's pack the call.
3 o'clock in 2 hours. Let's get people on that call. Bye, everybody.